First pimple.
So what are your influencers saying?
Lots of things. But my OG, original influencer, is you.
So my OG advice is,
Made with 100% naturally derived neem. It is soap-free and paraben-free. Removes pimples, makes skin healthy. Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. The original solution for pimple.
2 persons were killed in a mob attack for allegedly attempting to rape an 18-year-old girl at a village in Nongthliew area under Eastern West Khasi Hills on Friday afternoon. Sources from the village revealed that the incident occurred around noon after the duo allegedly tried to sexually assault girl, leaving injury marks on her neck. Some of the villagers witnessed the rape bid on the girl and managed to nab the duo, after which they informed the Sordar of the village. The Sordar said the villagers took the duo to the house of the girl to confirm the incident. She told the villagers that the duo had tried to rape her and also threatened her with a knife. The villagers then took the duo to the village community hall to ensure their safety. The situation worsened after residents of the village gathered outside the community hall on learning of the incident. The Sordar said, "We could not control the situation after the mob managed to enter the community hall and assaulted the two in front of the police, who were called to control the situation. The mob even prevented the police from taking custody of the duo," the Sordar said. Following the assault, the duo was shifted to the Tirot Singh Memorial Civil Hospital at Mairang, where one of the accused succumbed to his injuries. He was a father of 6 children. The other accused sustained critical injuries and was referred to Shillong Civil Hospital for further treatment, where he succumbed at around 11:30 p.m., a source informed.